In this video I'm going to show you how to move Windows 10 apps from main drive to another. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. To do this, first click on the Start button, then select the Settings icon. In the Settings page, select System option. Here go to the Storage tab. Here it will show you all the details about what sort of files are taking up how much space in the storage. Just click on the Apps and Features option. It will list all your apps installed in the selected drive. You can sort the list by size and you can also change the drive. Now just select the app that you want to move. Do note that apps that are not installed from the Windows Store can't be moved. So select the right one and click on the Move button and select the drive that you want to move. It will take some time to move depending on the size of the app. Once moved, you can check the moved app in the selected drive by changing your drive from here. That's it guys, this is how you can move apps from main drive to another and save space on your computer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.